Cricket. Cricket means many people knows Sachin. So there was a big trend setting for Sachin Tendulkar. So the entire trend setting is being broken by Mr. Dhoni. He was spectacular player who had created huge fan following because of his efforts. He is the youngest player to become a captain in a very short span of time because of his leadership. His teammate always says, Captain Cool, in the year 2011, the World Cup has been won by the Indian team by the leadership of Mr. Dhoni. He was the biggest pride of Tamil Nadu to become the captain of Chennai Super Kings. He has won multiple cups, even though Chennai Super Kings people has a very big craze on IPL. Now, Dhoni has announced on August 16 that he is going to retire as a cricketer. On announcement of his retirement, the huge fan following throughout the world has become very much disappointed. But still, we are waiting for a boom for this forthcoming IPL. As a Chennai Super Kings fan, we have carved the Chennai Super Kings logo, which we are going to dedicate to Mr. Dhoni. Just watch and enjoy.